Question 1. Recently, where was the Global FinTech Fest, GFF 2024, held? Option A. New Delhi. Option B. Mumbai. Option C. Chennai. Option D. Hyderabad. Answer. Option B. Mumbai. Notes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed Global FinTech Fest GFF 2024 held at the Jio World Convention Center in Mumbai. The event is organized jointly by the Payments Council of India, the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI), and the FinTech Convergence Council (FCC). The GFF is considered one of the world's largest gatherings of fintech startups, investors, experts, bankers, and regulators from around the globe. Question 2. Recently, which armed force has launched Project Naman to support veterans and their families? Option A. Indian Air Force. Option B. Indian Army. Option C. Indian Navy. Option D. National Security Guard. Answer. Option B. Indian Army. Notes. The Indian Army launched Project Naman to support defense pensioners, veterans, and their families. The project is based on the Sparsh digital pension system, simplifying pension processes for defense personnel. Reception and facilitation centers were set up through and MOU between the Indian Army, CSCA Governance India Limited, and HDFC Bank. These centers offer Sparsh-enabled pension services and other citizen services at one location. In the first phase, 14 centers were established in key cities like New Delhi, Jalandhar, and Bangalore. Village-level entrepreneurs, VLES, often veterans, managed these centers with HDFC Bank's financial support. Question 3. Which Indian naval ship recently participated in a Maritime Partner Exercise (MPE) with Spanish ship Italia? Option A. INS Arihant. Option B. INS Mumbai. Option C. INS Tabar. Option D. INS Kaveri. Answer. Option C. INS Tabar. Notes. INS Tabar conducted a maritime partnership exercise (MPX) with the Spanish Navy's ship Italia in the Mediterranean Sea. The exercise signifies India's naval outreach and marks a milestone in maritime cooperation between India and Spain. The MPX included advanced exercises like station keeping, replenishment at sea approaches, flying exercise, steam past, and PHOTOEX. Both navies showed high professionalism and commitment, reinforcing strong bilateral naval ties and enhancing cooperation in the maritime domain. Question 4. Which state's tourism recently won the Pata Gold Award 2024 for Innovative Holiday Heist campaign? Option A. Rajasthan. Option B. Gujarat. Option C. Kerala. Option D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. Option C. Kerala. Notes. Kerala Tourism won the Pata Gold Award 2024 for its Holiday Heist online contest in the digital marketing campaign category. The campaign, launched in July 2023, used a bidding game on the WhatsApp chatbot Maya to attract tourists. Over 80,000 bids were made by travelers across India to visit Kerala's prime destinations at low prices. The campaign generated more than 45 million impressions and over 13 million video views. Some participants won tour packages worth 30,000 rupees for just 5 rupees. Kerala Tourism received the award in Bangkok on August 28, 2024. Question 5. Mona Agrawal recently won a bronze medal in which event at the 2024 Paris Paralympics? Option A. Table tennis. Option B. Boxing. Option C. Shooting. Option D. Wrestling. Answer. Option C. Shooting. Notes. Mona Agrawal became a well-known figure in para-shooting, winning a bronze medal in the R2 Women 10 meters air rifle SH1 event at the 2024 Paralympics. Born on November 8, 1987, in Sikar, Rajasthan, she faced early challenges, contracting polio at 9 months, affecting her lower limbs. Despite this, she pursued her education, earning a degree in arts and pursuing a master's in psychology via distance learning. At 23, Mona chose to live independently, excelling in HR and marketing roles. In 2016, she turned to para-athletics, winning gold in state debut throw events and earning medals in para-powerlifting. Question 6. Satkoshia Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Option A, Orissa. Option B, Haryana. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Answer, Option A, Orissa. Notes: the National Tiger Conservation Authority, NTCA, approved the resumption of the Big Cat relocation project in Satkoshia Tiger Reserve, Orissa, after a 4.5-year suspension. Satkoshia Tiger Reserve is located in Orissa, spanning 4 districts: Angul, Cuttack, Baudh, and Nayagarh. It covers 1,136.70 square kilometers, with a core area of 523.61 square kilometers, and is part of the Mahanadi Elephant Reserve. The reserve is a meeting point of the Deccan Peninsula and Eastern Ghats regions. The terrain is hilly with slopes and valleys. The Mahanadi River flows through it. Question 7. Which day is observed as International Whale Shark Day every year? Option A, the 30th of August. Option B, the 31st of August. Option C, the 1st of September. Option D, the 2nd of September. Answer, Option A, the 30th of August. Notes: International Whale Shark Day is celebrated annually on August 30th. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world and a filter-feeding shark species. They are found in temperate and tropical oceans globally, except the Mediterranean Sea. Whale sharks have a dark gray top with light spots and stripes, providing camouflage, and a mouth at the front of the head. They are filter feeders, processing over 6,000 liters of water through their gills. Their diet includes plankton, small fish, and mollusks like sardines, anchovies, and squid. The IUCN classifies whale sharks as endangered. Question 8. Reem-2 ballistic missile, recently seen in the news, is developed by which country? Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, Japan. Option D, Ukraine. Answer, Option D, Ukraine. Notes: Ukraine successfully tested its first ballistic missile, named Reem-2, developed by its defense industry. Reem-2, also known as Grim, Grom, or OTRK Sapsan, is a Ukrainian short-range ballistic missile system. It combines the features of a tactical missile system and a multiple rocket launcher. The export version of Reem-2 has a range limited to 280 kilometers to comply with international regulations. For Ukraine's military, the missile's range is extended to 700 kilometers. The Sapsan system features a 10-wheeled launcher that carries 2 missiles and can evade modern air defenses, similar to Russia's Iskander missile. Question 9. Nazca Ridge, recently seen in the news, is a submarine ridge located in which ocean? Option A, Indian Ocean. Option B, Arctic Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean. Option D, Atlantic Ocean. Answer, Option C, Pacific Ocean. Notes: Oceanographers found a new seamount on the Nazca Ridge, 900 miles off Chile's coast. Nazca Ridge is a submarine ridge in the southeastern Pacific Ocean near South America. It is around 1,100 kilometers long and varies in width. The ridge starts at the Nazca Plate of Peru and extends southwest towards Easter Island, Chile. It was created by volcanic activity from a hot spot in the Earth's mantle. The ridge consists of unusually thick basaltic ocean crust. It is tectonically active, subducting beneath the South American plate at the Peru-Chile Trench. Question 10. Vadhavan Port, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Answer, Option A, Maharashtra. Notes: Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation for the Vadhavan Port project in Palghar, Maharashtra, worth around 76,000 crore rupees. Vadhavan Port is set to become one of the top 10 ports globally, with a handling capacity of 23.2 million TEUs. The port, near Dahanu town, Maharashtra, will be one of India's largest deep water ports, offering direct connectivity to international shipping routes. Equipped with modern technology and infrastructure, it will feature deep berths and efficient cargo handling. The project will create significant employment, boost local businesses, and support regional economic growth. It emphasizes sustainable development, minimizing environmental impact. Once operational, the port will enhance India's maritime connectivity and strengthen its global trade position. Question 11. What is the name of the cyclone that recently formed over the Kutch coast in Gujarat? Options: A. Cyclone Gulabi. B. Cyclone Jawar. C. Cyclone Asna. D. Cyclone Satrang. Answer: C. Cyclone Asna. Explanation: Cyclone Asna formed from a deep depression over Gujarat's Kutch region and is set to become a tropical cyclone over the Arabian Sea. Unlike typical cyclones that form over warm ocean waters, Asna developed over land in Gujarat. Historically, cyclones have originated over mainland India only 3 times in August, and Asna is following a similar path. Possible causes include unusual monsoon winds, moisture from the Arabian Sea, soil moisture, and warming of the Indian Ocean. Question 12. Which state will host the Women's Asian Champions Trophy 2024 in November? Options: A. Bihar. B. Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Odisha. Answer: A. Bihar. Explanation: The Women's Asian Champions Trophy hockey tournament in 2024 will be held in Rajgir, Bihar, from November 11 to 20th. This event is significant for Bihar as it will take place at the newly developed Rajgir Hockey Stadium. Top Asian teams, including India, China, Japan, and Korea, will compete. This event underscores Bihar's commitment to promoting hockey and hosting international sports. Question 13. Which city of Nepal was recently recognized as a healthy city by the World Health Organization? Options: A. Bharatpur. B. Biratnagar. C. Dhulikhel. D. Dharan. Answer: C. Dhulikhel. Explanation: Dhulikhel, Nepal, is the first city in the country to be recognized as a healthy city by the World Health Organization (WHO). Dhulikhel is located in the Kavre Palanchok district, about 18 miles from Kathmandu. The WHO monitored Dhulikhel for 2 years before making the announcement in August 2024. The WHO's decision was based on factors like environmental improvements, progress in primary health care, and access to health for poor citizens. Dhulikhel was also named the second healthiest city in Asia. Question 14. Which state UT recently launched the ISI Kudi scheme to enhance music and dance education in government schools? Options: A. Puducherry. B. Assam. C. Lakshadweep. D. Mizoram. Answer: A. Puducherry. Explanation: The ISI Kudi scheme was launched in Puducherry to boost music and dance education in government schools. Bharatiyar University supports this initiative. A musical hut is being set up at Chinnatha Government Girls Higher Secondary School. Music classes will be held twice a week for 2 hours. The scheme offers tailored syllabi for different class levels. This effort shows Puducherry's commitment to enhancing students' education through arts and culture. Question 15. Poba Reserve Forest, which was seen in the news, is located in which northeastern state? Options: A. Mizoram. B. Nagaland. C. Assam. D. Manipur. Answer: C. Assam. Explanation: Poba Reserve Forest in Assam's Dhemaji district will soon become a wildlife sanctuary. It is a rainforest in northeastern Assam, created in 1924, covering 10,221 hectares. It is located near the Himalayan foothills. The forest is bordered by the Shiang, Dibang, and Lohit rivers, Brahmaputra, Dibru Sakhova National Park, and Jonai villages. Ethnic groups like Mysing, Bodo, Sonowal Kachari, and Hajong inhabit the area. Rich in flora and fauna, including slow loris, caplangur, and wild boar. Home to 45 species of birds and reptiles, and diverse fish species. Important migratory route for elephants, connecting other wildlife areas. Question 16. Who has been appointed as the new Cabinet Secretary for the Government of India? Options. A. Alok Banerjee. B. T.V. Somanathan. C. S.C. Majumdar. D. Rinku Dugga. Answer B. T.V. Somanathan. Explanation. T.V. Somanathan has been appointed as the 33rd Cabinet Secretary of India. He succeeded Rajiv Gauba, the longest-serving Cabinet Secretary since August 2019. Rajiv Gauba, a 1982 batch IAS officer, got 3 one-year extensions until August 2024. The government amended retirement rules to extend Gauba's term. Before Gauba, Pradeep Kumar Sinha held the longest term as Cabinet Secretary for over 4 years. Somanathan, a 1987 batch Tamil Nadu cadre IAS officer, was previously Finance Secretary and Expenditure Secretary. He has a PhD in economics, is a chartered accountant, and has held significant roles in Tamil Nadu in the World Bank. Question 17. What is acetanilide recently mentioned in news? Options. A. Critical mineral. B. AI tool. C. Synthetic organic compound. D. Invasive weed. Answer C. Synthetic organic compound. Explanation. Recently, 5 people fell unconscious and were hospitalized in Visakhapatnam while shifting acetanilide bags between containers. Acetanilide is a synthetic organic compound with the formula CrH-NO, also known as N-phenylacetamide acetanil. It is a white, odorless solid related to acetic acid and was first used as a fever-reducing drug in 1886. Acetanilide was used for pain relief, including headaches and cramps, but has been largely replaced by acetaminophen paracetamol, due to toxic side effects that affect hemoglobin function. It is still used as an intermediate in producing dyes, rubber, and other chemicals. Question 18. What is foot and mouth disease (FMD) recently seen in news? Options. A. Fungus disease of birds. B. Viral disease of livestock. C. Plant disease. D. None of the above. Answer B. Viral disease of livestock. Explanation. The Union government has decided to establish foot and mouth disease-free zones in 8 states: Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Foot and mouth disease (FMD) is a highly contagious viral illness affecting livestock such as cattle, swine, sheep, and goats, but not horses, dogs, or cats. It impacts livestock production and disrupts trade but poses no human health or food safety risk. FMD is caused by an aphthvirus and has 7 strains. Immunity to one strain does not protect against others. The disease spreads through excretions and secretions, with high transmission rates in young animals but low fatality in adults. Question 19. Which organization has introduced Dispute Resolution Scheme (ADRS) recently seen in news? Options. A. Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI). B. Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT). C. Reserve Bank of India (RBI). D. Ministry of Finance. Answer B. Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT). Explanation. The Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) launched the Dispute Resolution Scheme (ADRS) 2022 to simplify and speed up resolving income tax disputes. This scheme aims to cut down on litigation and offer a quicker, more affordable solution for taxpayers. Under Section 245 Mega-Amperes of the Income Tax Act, 1961, taxpayers can resolve disputes electronically via Dispute Resolution Committees (DRCS). DRCS present in all 18 regions, can amend orders, reduce penalties, or drop prosecutions, and must make decisions within 6 months of the application. Question 20. Recently, where was the International Conference on Exploring the Life and Living Legacy of Guru Padmasambhava held? Options: A. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. B. Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. C. Nalanda, Bihar. D. Kutch, Gujarat. Answer C. Nalanda, Bihar. Explanation: the International Buddhist Confederation and Nava Nalanda Mahavihara hosted a 2-day conference in Nalanda, Bihar, on Guru Padmasambhava's life and legacy. Guru Padmasambhava, also known as Guru Rinpoche, lived in the 8th century in India and is a highly respected figure in Buddhism. He is recognized as a founding father of Tibetan Buddhism and arrived in Tibet in 749 AD. He spread Buddha's teachings across the Himalayan regions including India, Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Tibet.